Hi everyone, my name is David, and in this video I'm going to share my story about how I started my online business when I was 20. It, it was about 8 years ago, so let's get started. So this video will help you to know about how to start an online business. So first of all, in 2010 I was searching about an idea how to start a business. So I I stumbled across a course about how to make money while sleeping. So that's the funny thing about that course. It was taught by a guy who promised to earn money online by selling ebooks at the time in 2010. So I thought about it. I was thinking at that time about how I can make money online because I was studying at college, so I wanted to increase my income at that time because I was basically living with my family and all that. No? So in that course, he taught about how to buy a domain, hosting service, and find an ebook to sell it. No? So I this this is my Gmail account, so I'm going to show what steps I took in order to have my online business ready. No, well, first of all, I bought a domain in GoDaddy. Okay, well, you can see that in the email. Well, that's the hosting. Site 5 is actually the hosting. So I bought a hosting. You see the date is about 29 March 2010. So it cost me around $39 for 6 months. So there is the site hosting service. So then I bought the domain. First the domain, of course. The domain. Okay, you can see here the detail, the summary of the order, about one domain registration for $1087 or 1 year. Improve my memory. Why that name? Because my product in fact how to improve your memory, no? So in that course, that guy taught me about how to find a niche with using Google AdWords, Google Analytics to find trends. At that moment, I saw by looking for keywords, I saw there was an opportunity to sell something related to memory and to improve memory. So I took that decision to launch my business in that field. Well, I had a question at that moment, so I don't know nothing about memory, I don't know nothing about it. So how can I make my launch now? Well, at that moment I stumbled across other page called Vertex Master, and that book and that company was selling a bundle of books of different topics. For example, a lot of ebooks actually. So I bought the bundle about $29.95 US. You see ebook maximizer, 1,000 ebook pack. You can see here. That's the that's the third step I took in order to launch my business. Then I had to set up my web page. No. So what I did, first of all, I was not good at code. The next thing I did, I launched in that bundle. I found the improved memory book. So I made some changes. For example, you will see here uh, here I will show you. Where does I will show you my landing page. I had the email record to this. That was a landing page. Are you arbitrarily forgetful and absent-minded? You can see is a sales page, sales letter. Get a list, $12. Well, I made some changes here. No? You can see here the book, improves your memory. My name is David Rose at the moment. I thought using that name. Where you can see about 22 pages. So that was my ebook. Compared to now, the quality of the ebooks is, of course, better than that. But at that time, it was my first time, so I tried. I never stopped to looking this opportunity. No. Yes. Let's go. Well, the next thing I did was about Aweber. Aweber is a email service, so I get this. No, I get Aweber. Okay, if you can see your account is ready, they found the Google AdWords. I start using Google AdWords to drive traffic to my page. And then the payment gateway. Payment gateway, what I choose at that time was to check out. No? You can see to check out. I paid about $40 to that service, and then I made my first. I made 2 sales actually. I made 2 sales. I was using Google AdWords to send traffic, and then to check out has a fraud prevention service where the page would hold the money until the customer receives the product. So then you will receive the money. You can see here to check out was the customer information. You can see here the details. No? I think it's safe to share now because 5 years ago, well, maybe she changed the address and that kind of stuff. And then how I receive my money. I need to sell fraud. Here is other sale. Huh? At that time, Pioneer to receive the payment, so I sign up with Pioneer and check out integration. Well, you will see my email that I had an integration already. So at that moment, you can see here to checkout.com. Your prepaid debit MasterCard have been approved. The date 13 June 2010. So that the money of the sales was about $20, $23, $24. 2 sales, I made 2 sales for $12 each. Well, I made discount to one client. So you can see here you have money from checkout. Okay, the checkout has sent 23, $26 towards your account. Google AdWords, I lost more money with advertising that I win at the end. No? So lesson to everyone. First of all, now we have some kind of resources such as ClickFunnels or maybe Facebook ads or maybe YouTube ads that are reliable and more focused and more niche. Now you can niche down from gender, from ethnicity, from interests, from different kind of uh, kind of uh, characteristics. No, so that's the power of social media now. So what's my advice if you want to start Google? Well, you want to start an online business now. First, page or your landing page uh, without making some research and may have some traction in social media until you get some viewers, maybe some possible leads, and then you can use the email follow up with Aweber or another third-party provider to search for clients and also to to make a sale in the back end. So that's my advice to launch now a business. Let me know which topic you want to know next one. I hope you find it useful and please share and like this video and turn on notifications to receive the next one in your email. Thank you.